Hi, my name is Alexis Holmgren and I'm from Red Deer, Alberta.
Hello, my name is Palvisa Hedgepal and I'm from British Columbia. Alexis and I are speaking on behalf of the Authentic Social Identity Formation and Mental Health Theme Team.
Who are you and how do you show up to those around you? Imagine if I asked you to take out your phone, unlock it, and pass it to the person sitting next to you, giving them full access to your emails, text messages, social media, and everything else. That experience might feel scary, daunting, and uncomfortable. It might make you feel incredibly vulnerable. When we did this in our group, for me, it felt very exposing. It takes a lot to work past fear in order to be truly vulnerable. And the Canada we want is authentic, vulnerable, and rooted in connection.
What would it mean for you to show up authentically to those around you? To the people in your life, are you the same version of yourself with your coworkers as you are on Facebook or other social media platforms? In our Authentic Social Identity Formation and Mental Health Theme Team, we were able to create a safe space to be authentic, vulnerable, and ultimately connected. Our group was able to navigate through traumas and experiences that would otherwise result in us being isolated and lacking in connection. But because we were able to foster that space, we were able to experience and promote belonging. And when a safe space is created, individuals are able to be loved and accepted for everything they are and everything they're not. It is when we are embraced by this community that we are able to be our most authentic selves and deepen the connection in our lives. And that's what we've created in our week together. And the Canada we want creates room to have reliable mental health support and for vulnerability, authenticity, and connection to take place.
Thank you for listening.